Symbiont is a leader in providing innovative GIS services. Utilizing state-of-the-art GIS software, we work collaboratively with our clients to build solutions that streamline operations. By improving access to critical information and automating workflows, using mobile GIS capabilities and interactive mapping software, we empower clients to make smarter, more informed decisions, resulting in cost savings and improved understanding. Introducing Facility GIS. Supervisors can easily create and assign work activities, track progress, and review completed maintenance records.
Easily create and assign tasks to workers on the fly, such as an inspection, something such as a fire extinguisher. You can assign it to a worker. Also assign priorities, whether it needs to be done tomorrow or now. You create this assignment, the worker will get the notification to their phone or tablet instantly.
Looks like I just received a notification through Symbiont's Facility Management GIS from my supervisor.
Once activities are scheduled, staff can be notified of outstanding assignments in real time. Using a phone or tablet, the workflow is documented and saved in the GIS for supervisor review.
Super easy. I'll bring up the new inspection report, go through the inspection. It's as quick and easy as hitting submit, and I'm on to my next inspection.
Supervisors are always connected to their workforce. They can track assignments and monitor progress. Using the interactive GIS, users can retrieve inspection records and documents associated with an asset. Let Symbiont help streamline your facility operations today.